Batmobile. Let's go. Let's go.
This is the car I built in my garage. I had the COVID shutdown. I just cleaned up my garage, had all my welding supplies. I had a 96 Corvette frame only. I had a 58 Cadillac front end. I had a 59 Cadillac back end. I made the rest of it with stuff I got at Lowe's. My dual exhaust was modeled over this pipe here. When you get to the back, you'll see it repeat itself. The dashboard, the silver parts were made out of a Morris Minor roof. The center console out of an old shop chair. Everything's steel. Here's my exhaust pipe.
No way. That's
got
crazy.
A special issue license plate on the back, number 1. Bought in this county when the car was new. The trunk was made out of a Chevy truck hood that had a skin from a 59 Cadillac put on it.
Wow.
Got a little hood pull here. And you have enough room for your hat, your coat. You can't fit a spare, so you got a tire inflator and a plug kit, your first aid kit. A little halon fire extinguisher, and enough hats for anyone that wants to ride with you.
Unbelievable. That is incredible.
It was made by Wayne Enterprises, by the way. The whole time I built it, so I do a nice job, and I finally had to give in and go with the Wayne Enterprises.
We had to go with the Wayne Enterprises. That is so cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Well,
Great.
if you find me out there, send me a copy of this.
I will.
It's the first time second time it's made it to town.
Okay. Oh, really? And you're from, where are you from? Are you from
Right here, Sarasota.
All right.